looking all cute on us.
Tucker's hiding behind the present.
Should I name him King Julian? He looks like a lemur.
Tucker, what are you doing?
I think he knows.
Sadie.
Was he on my bed this morning? We got all my room. Oh, was it just you in my room or something? Something was on my bed.
Alexis too.
I was.
Tucker, are you back there?
Yeah. That's pretty cute. That's
Sophie
cute.
loves Rocky.
Sophie loves Rocky. Oh, that's so cute. That's so cute.
Rocky's like, I can only take so much
Oh my
alone.
God, is that cute? Is that cute?
And then Rocky's like, I've had enough. Aww. Sophie just wants a friend so bad.
Sophie wants a friend. Good girl. Somebody be my friend.
Kisses. And then Rocky runs away.
Somebody has to hold her. Somebody please hold her while I bathe her.
I'll help you.
Look, Tucker's in the middle thing again.
Tucker, you're in the middle thing. Did you find it? Do you like it, Tucker?
You got her in
Tucker.
So look at you. You okay? Oh, you alright? You okay? You look good a little bit.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Oh, there's
I'm
nice.
sorry. I didn't mean it.
Tucker. Look at Tucker.
What's wrong? I'm choked up.
She smells it on the floor.
I surrender. Tucker.
Tucker's enjoying.
Break it in.
He's like, I'm just warming it up.
All right, Kimberly, put these clothes on.
All right, 1 minute.
Come outside.
All right, 1
Alexis,
minute.
you're helping dry in there.